Hello everyone, this is Lipika Pandey, hereby presenting my kiosk design project. My concept of designing this project is based upon the honeycomb structure. The benefits of this structure is that it has a unique shape, it has more area, sufficient space, natural insulation, less energy consumption. The list of the requirements are cash counter, food counter, kitchen, sink, waiting area, toilet for workers and the public. My site is located near ABS Academy, Durgapur, Sagar Bhanga. It has following distance from the major centers of the cities: 6 kilometers from Durgapur railway station, 5 kilometers from city center, 12 kilometers from Benacheti, and 18 kilometers from DSP. Here is my site plan, which has entrance towards the north side. On entering, we have a fountain area. On crossing that area, we get into the block of the kiosk. In the right hand side, we have parking area, and in the left hand side, we have the common playground and lounge area. Now, here is my plan. The plinth level of the plan is 450 mm. On entering the plan, we get encountered with the cash counter, where the persons will collect their tokens of the food. Next, they will move towards the food counter, where they will collect their food. The food is prepared in the kitchen, which is just beside the food counter. The kitchen is connected to after collecting the food, the persons can in the inside or outside the outside dining hall. Outside dining hall is the outside dining hall has a pergola shade. Now, if the maximum capacity of this kiosk is of 42 persons, if the dining is filled, the person can wait in the sofas located just at the entry, which has a maximum capacity of 10 persons. Now we have two toilets, one for the workers and the other for the public toilet. After having the food, persons can dump their food in the sinks nearby the washroom and get out of the plan through the exit halls on both left and right side of the area. Now each and every sections of the plan is shown in detailed way in these parts. Now we have the section of the plan which is cutting the plan in the AA site, which contains the kitchen, fountain area, cash counter and the entry. Okay, so this was my first sheet. Now coming to the second sheet. This sheet explains benefits is increased revenue, better quality product, improved customer experience and order accuracy. The benefits of the site is that it is near the highway, near an educational institute. It is a lush green area and a spacious area. Here is my on the left hand side bottom. Now know that what is a kiosk? A kiosk or a food kiosk or a food booth is generally a structure to provide food to the local people, which is generally situated outside near a platform or an institute or otherwise. Now here I have shown various structures which is showing the elevation, front elevation and the back elevation. This is my front elevation, which has a maximum height of 7000 mm. here is my back elevation, and here is the section which is cutting the plan in the BB, which is cutting the toilets and showing the food counter and the kitchen. Now here is the back view of the kiosk, and here is the front view of the kiosk. Now we should know that the materials used here are brick wall, glass and wood. So thank you. This is concluding. So Lipika Pandey is concluding here. Thank you.